My opinions about Chinese cars entering the Ugandan market are quite simple. It will bring more competition to the legacy auto retailers here in Uganda like Sifao, Motocare, Seinta, and it will give us cheaper alternatives. So I'm excited about that bit. But the brands that are coming are those we are not familiar with. Great Wall Motors has established here in Uganda. Jetour has also established. Those are the videos we're going to be watching today. And then the brands that we know of, like Build Your Dreams, BYD, have already established in Rwanda through Sifao, in Kenya through Sifao, and many other dealers across Africa, but they have not entered Uganda. So is it because of the infrastructure? I'm not really sure, because we don't have a good charging infrastructure, and BYD makes purely electric cars. So it would really be exciting if BYD came to Uganda, and I'm hoping to see that. I'm excited about that part. Chery, another popular Chinese brand on the lower end of the price hierarchy, is also entering Uganda soon. I'm hearing rumors about that. But if they do enter, what are the brands they're bringing? What are the options they're bringing to us? And there are many concerns for Ugandans about these Chinese brands. How good are they? Are they durable? Can they manage our rough roads in Uganda with potholes as big as fishing ponds? Do I get spares if the shocks break? Do I get spares? Do I get the good after sale service? How is the warranty? How is the how is the service that you get? For these cars, for Jetour specifically, the warranty covers up to 150,000 kilometers or 5 years. And the warranty only covers the engine and the drivetrain. Then you get service for 2 years or up to 50,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. So it's head-to-head with the Toyotas, because Sifao offers similar, except for them on the warranty, they go up to 100,000 kilometers. And Jetour is going to 150. So they are showing some confidence in their engines and drivetrain. But let's wait and see. I'm hoping a Ugandan will buy this car, will buy these cars, try them out and give us their honest opinion. Either make a video about it or invite me to interview you and get your honest opinion about Jetour Motors. Look at this. These are bold shapes. There are two kinds of cars in this showroom. You'll see that there's double of each. This is the X70 Plus here. And then we have the dashing. It's dashingly dashing. The first one we have over there, that one is the X70 Plus. The next one is the dashing. This is also the dashing, and this is how it looks in front. We shall look at the features inside. We shall look at which one is bigger, which one has more advanced features, and then you can comment down in the comment section below and tell me which one you like more, and if you would like to come to the showroom and sit in these cars or get a test drive yourself. First, let's compare the keys. For the X70, you have this key shaped boldly. It looks like an alien ship. If I imagined an alien ship, this is how it would look. And then for the dashing, it looks really cute. Look at it. Look at this. So Jetour doesn't fear, being creative with their designs. So let's start with the X70. I came near it and immediately it opened for me, but let me open it proper. When you open it, it has these lights. Look at that. That's the sound it makes when it locks itself. When you click open and you don't open the door, it locks itself after a few seconds. They gave it a very huge grille. It's good because it allows faster cooling of the radiator, because the radiator is just inside there. You'll be able to see it there. So the radiator cools the engine, and when the grille is big like this, it allows in a lot of air to cool the radiator. We have a camera here. We have another one up there. Okay, and then another one on that mirror, which means this car gives you a 360 view of your surroundings. You'll notice the modern lights. They have different sections on the inside, and see how let me open again. Look at this. These are the indicators. And then they have these sensors here, the sonar sensors, proximity sensors that tell you when you come close to a wall or another car. If you look here on the mirror, this is also a blind spot indicator. So let's say you're driving and a car or border is on the side here, this will light up until you are close to a car. Even when you're parking, it will assist you, and that makes it easy to park. Now let's sit in the driver's seat and see how it feels to be inside the Jetour X70 Plus. Look at this. The seat moves behind, and then I can see all the controls right here. The controls for the seat are here on the door. These are blinded off, so these do not do anything. Different memory seats here. You can save the memory, so now the seat will remember the position you like. So that whenever you sit in, just select the position you like, and the seat will adjust itself to remember how you like it. And you can open and close the windows from here. All the controls are here for the mirrors, for the windows, and then you have this red accent lighting here, accent here. It also has ambient lighting. You see the stitching is also red. All this is leather. Oh wow, even this dashboard here is leather. Let's just switch on just so that we can demonstrate some of the features. It can be controlled via voice. If I click this here and I say open all the windows, see, all the windows have opened. The passenger's window has opened. The driver's window has also opened. This is as low as it goes, so it's really good. And then you can also, if you want to command it again, you can click here and then give it a command. Close all the windows. Okay. Look at that. All the windows are now closed. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all the other settings. It's in English, which is a relief because, you know, this is a Chinese car, and most Japanese cars, if you don't buy them from Toyota directly, they usually come with Japanese language, and it's a headache. But here, the controls, look at this, the analog, the display for the odometer looks analog, but it's on a screen. So technology. And then you have adaptive cruise control here. You can set, it will accelerate for you, brake for you. Then you have your climate controls here, and they're all digital. Glove compartment here, a cup holder here with these rubber grips, wireless phone charger, points inside the car for you to connect your charger, and then of course a 12-volt outlet here. This is the gear shifting hand, which looks really good. It has the sport mode where you can change the gears using these paddle shifters at the back here. Hill descent assist, change the channels, select channels, pause, play, more storage down here. Beautiful. It lights up during the night. There's good headroom, like from the top to where the seat is. It's good. We have a light here for the back. Cool stuff. Grab handles for everyone except the driver. Air vents here, more storage here to place your phone, then more storage down here as well. No charging ports, but at least you have air vents for your passengers. It's spacious, and 2 adults can sit comfortably. The legroom is not big, so the guys in front will be forced to move a little bit in front. You just long tap this, long press it, and the boot will open for you. When the seats behind are upright, the storage isn't big, it's really small. When it falls like that, then you have more space. Okay, now here at the back you have tools for changing the tire and also the hazards, and more storage, a little bit more storage. And if you want to access the spare tire, of course, you open here and open it using this. The spare tire is down here. There is the spare tire down there. You will see that the exhaust pipe is here, and it does not go through the vents that you see here at the back, because these are purely aesthetic. And if we want to close, we can either use the key or click there, and then it will close. The wheels on this car are 20-inch, and the ground clearance is 200 millimeters. I like these rails because you can put a rack up here, so it's good that they are provided. So now I can open here this latch, pull it twice, lift it just like that, and that's how it looks. This is how the engine bay looks. This is a 1.5 liter engine that is also turbocharged, and that's the coolant. It has everything here, of course, the battery, but that's where the turbo is, in there, back there. Clean and fresh. I like it. That's the X70 Plus Jetour.